Good morning. Welcome to Mornings with Michael. I'm out here at my rental property. Not sure how good this is going to work, but we're going to go for it. So happy day to you. Our word of the day is ochre. Ocher, O-C-H-E-R. And this is a pigment containing ferric oxide, typically with clay, pale brownish yellow color. The artist's work is characterized by her extensive use of yellow ochre. So that's our word of the day. And let's go to our, see if we can get to our heat map here. Not sure where it went. Oh, there we go. I believe. Had it here for a second. Here we go. There's our heat map. NVIDIA is up big. Got a big bounce from SMCI super microcomputer, and ARM is bouncing as well. We took our profits. We had put on a 15-30, 16-20 spread on micro MSTR, and we took that off. I woke up this morning, it was at 1750, I believe. So financials are down. Got a kind of a mixed bag today. So that's a look there. Let's see if I can bring up one of our charts. This is an annuity. Money goes up, goes up, goes up. You do not lose money. Whereas index investing, you do lose money. Beats index investing by about 5% per year. And right now they're offering 30 to 45% bonuses. If you want to learn more about that, please let us know on the comment section. Let's go to our charts. Here we go. Let's see what's happening today. Here's super microcomputer. See if this is updated. Yes, there we go. It's up $91 today. We put on a 1060, 1065, 1070 spread option today. And ARM. We put on a 140, I believe 140, 145. ARM has sold off. It was up higher, and we got a little selling in there. So let's take a look at US dollar index. What's happening there? Dollar is on its low for the day, selling off 0.25%. Silver should be up. Silver is up slightly, very slightly. Gold is up slightly, but the same as silver. Our copper mining company is pulling back to the 10-day moving average, off about 0.48%. Southern Copper tried to go higher and then sold off 0.23%. We got our little ants, institutional ants crawling, taking some positions here. FCX, Freeport McMoran, up slightly, up almost 1%. Tried to move higher and then it's pulled back. Poly doing about the same. Rio. It looks like it has filled the gap and then sold off. And let's see where BHP is. Tried to move higher and then sold off as well. Ethereum and Bitcoin bounced yesterday. It's at its high today. It's up 8%. Bitcoin gapping up. It's up over 10% today. And this is why MicroStrategy is moving. It's up to 1853. Breaking out of this consolidation, it looks like. Glad we added on the pullback. And now it's paying dividends for us. Meta is pulling back slightly. Microsoft is off today, pulling back to the 10-day moving average. Apple continues down. Google sold off initially, but is fighting back. Netflix holding in strong, right around getting close to 630. NVIDIA continues up strong. Tesla got another downgrade. It is up 1%, initially sold off, so it is fighting back. So we'll see if this remains at the bottom. I'm not sure. See if we got any news for the day. Do not have any news, so let's go to our morning routine. It's up 3% today. 50% increase in volume, nothing. What is up 50%? Digital world is trending. This is a SPAC that's merging with Truth Social, Donald Trump's company. So it's kind of been all over the place, but it's up strong today, huge volume. They voted to merge the two companies. Farmers Bank Corp got a big boost today. Getting above its 50-day moving average. Foot Locker. Looks like we got a gap up above the 200-day moving average, up 7%. Hamilton Beach Brands. That's a pretty good volume and a big jump, up 11%. Lifeway Foods continues its ascent. It's now right up here at the pivot point. Micron Technology gapped up last week on its earnings, and it continues up. And Willdan Group provides civil engineering. It gapped up on its earnings, up 122%, and just is continuing that move. It's right in the profit-taking zone right now. See what, if anything, is up 10% with 200% increase in volume, and that is Digital World Acquisition is the only one. We just looked at that. So that is a story there. That is what we got on Cap for today. We added a little bit to Ethereum today on this jump. Some people have the feeling that it's going to go up to 10,000. We'll see if on this little pullback, if it can break out of this base. Bitto gapped up, set its high for the day. Didn't really do anything there. Weatherford got a nice move up today on increase in oil pricing. We did sell off some of, we did take some profits in Weatherford today on this move. Post, about right over here, gapped up, pulled back, had a strong move here. Now it's got a little bit of a pullback. See if we get support to the 20-day moving average, and we'll continue to watch that. Shift for payments, it's kind of been all over the place. They rejected some sales. People wanted to do a takeover, and we'll just kind of have to wait and see. Yeah, they really lost all that momentum that they got from the earnings report. Same area, we got Square. Kind of bouncing back and forth here. Looks pretty good. CrowdStrike. Pull back a little bit. Now it's bounced off the 20-day moving average, which closed out the 320, 310 put spread. And now we just have our call option spread open at 330 to 340. So we'll see if it can get there. Now it's just kind of trading on this flat base or box pattern. And we really needed to break out of here if we want to convert those shares. So that is it with Crowd. Celsius, we haven't done anything here. We did short the 100 call options to earn a little bit more premium. See if this is just going to bounce around for a while, but it will make some money while it's bouncing around. We had sold the 520 call options. Well, we think this is going to just bounce around for a while. And let me just take a look what else we got to talk about here. App continues to perform well. We're taking off the shorts that we had on app. Here's the earnings move. It held up by that gap up, so we're quite happy with that. And it just continues moving on up. And one heavy day of selling, but the stock really didn't move any. So it looks like there's about as much selling as there was buying going on that day. Using going on here. See if this will be able to pull up ELF. Oh, we got a little technical difficulty. We're going to end the show there early today. Thanks for tuning in. And we hope to have a little better technology going tomorrow on Taco Tuesday. Have a great day, everybody.